Good day. Welcome to Positive Convention, a social network about living with HIV. My name is Pulokolo Ramotwala, and I'm the convener of Positive Convention. There are 30 million people living with HIV around the world. Almost 6 million of those people are living in South Africa. I'm one of those people who are living with HIV. I've had HIV for the past 12 years. This website and this video blog has been created by myself and a few other people who are also openly living with HIV, to share ideas about what it means to be living with HIV, to share ideas about what we can do to reduce new HIV infection, but also just to interact. There are people out there who are HIV positive who just don't know where to go for information, who don't know where to go for support. This website has been created for you as a person who's living with HIV, as a person who suspects that you might be HIV positive, or just as somebody who's looking after other people who are living with HIV. I hope you will find this website useful. I hope you will engage with us and share ideas, your experiences about different topics that are related to living with HIV, from nutrition, for example, from treating opportunistic infections. Some people have survived TB. Some people have survived cervical cancer. How do we get there? How do we survive as people living with HIV? The other important thing is the issue of stigma. How do people manage stigma? How do we manage stigma as people living with HIV? Or how do we support other people so that who are going through difficult times because of their HIV status to live a positive and healthy life? I hope, and I know I'm speaking on behalf of many people who are living with HIV, we will create a network of people living with HIV in this country and hopefully link with the rest of the world and talk, share, but also start looking at ways that can influence other people who are scared to test for HIV to do something about it. For people who are in relationships today, whether one partner has HIV, the other one does not have HIV, how do we support each other? How do we have a healthy relationship without infecting the other person? For mothers who are HIV positive and are pregnant, how do we make sure that your child does not get HIV? How do we cut down new HIV infection? But also, how do we make sure that the people who are living with HIV today are as healthy as myself, as many other people that you will see on the website telling their own stories? We can only do that if we work together as people living with HIV and support each other. So stay tuned as I look forward to the next coming years of sharing more and more information about living with HIV until we beat this virus.